I wait there, and you come in with the clip. Like, we meet halfway, or something.
Yes, and then you follow me.
Yes. Wait, should I? Yeah.
I'll take like this.
Whoa, shit! Yo! You good, bro? Oh shit!
Am I fucked up?
Oh shit, hold on.
The crosswalk did not work, guys.
Quotes that we just played in DC by the speaker and others, all they're interested in is power as opposed to accomplishment. And I think this whole process is a black eye on the Constitution. And now not just the politicians or the state legislators are voting for this, but now the people are actually going along with this. And it's all about power. It's all about blue and red jerseys. And in the long run, I'm really worried about the Democratic program.
Emergency video. Front KA band 35492.
Saying nothing except, "Fuck off, I was home with Jackie." She tells me everything from the time he left the house to the details of his sexual shortcomings. Then I pat her gently on the shoulder and give her a tissue and a cup of tea and a statement sheet. This is my job, and you don't go into it, or if you do, you don't last, without some natural affinity for its priorities and demands. What I am telling you before you begin
the real dumpling food that there's placed in the like wooden case, wooden bowl.
fucking idiot!
I'm way too high off like somebody lace my shit. Hors d'oeuvres with the string, you gotta say.